careful, be careful. Okay, so previously when you wanted a 360 camera, well, you had to get a 360 camera, but if you wanted a standard action camera, well, you had to buy a separate camera. That's where this guy comes in. Look at this. You've got swappable lenses. And there you go. Now we've got a standard action camera. It's amazing.
You know that's bad for you, right?
It's fine.
Morning.
Morning.
Today's gonna be really exciting because we're gonna be testing out the camera in like a bunch of different ways. Now we're gonna test it out in an FPV drone, and later we're going karting. So stick around. Very, very fun day. We're bringing Apple with us.
It's raining.
It's also raining, and we don't have a ceiling right now in the car. So yikes.
Yo, man, come on.
You hear the drone? Apple's so scared right now. I think it's outside. Yo, I don't know, man, but this is like the creepiest place I've ever been at. It's cool, it's very cool, but imagine being here at night. It's not a place you want to be here. Okay, where the heck? Oh.
Hey, the man, the myth, the legend.
Look.
Hey.
¿Qué pasó? How are you? This is so the tablet is actually connected to this thing, so we can actually see what he's seeing live. Okay, so here's the idea. We want to do like a third-person view of the actual drone. I don't think I've ever seen it before. I'm sure people have done it before, but I've never seen it, so. Here's something cool. GoPro and Insta360, all the mounts and all the accessories are actually compatible. You got it.
Que saca el sol, tío, el dron.
What happened, buddy? Alright, let's see if he broke my camera. This is horrible. Do you think it survived?
The camera, yes. The drone, I don't think so. Hey, where's the camera?
Camera's gone.
Drone is gone? Holy shit.
Camera disappeared, what the heck? Dude, what the heck did you do?
So sorry for that.
It was at this moment when he knew he fucked up.
Alright, seriously, where the heck is the camera? Is it outside? Oh, look. I can actually see where it is. Guys, it's here.
¿Y la lente? ¿Alguna lente trancada?
Arriba.
This is up.
Up. Aquí,
This is not what I was expecting for today's video at all. I just wanted to go karting, fly a couple drone shots.
Let's see.
Dude, I promise he's actually good. Like all the drone shots that you guys saw in all Apple season, he was the one. I don't know what happened to you today.
Follow me, Torino.
No, yeah, people are not gonna follow you anymore.
For more crash shots.
Is it good?
Yep.
Oh my god. Okay, so I don't see. I think it's perfectly fine. Man. Literally no scratches, not even on the lens, which is good. Look at his outfit right now.
Holy shit.
Carlos, what do you think? What do you think of this?
It's awesome, actually.
Don't do this at home, please.
All right, you want to go karting now?
Eh?
You want to go karting?
Yes.
All right, let's hope nothing goes wrong here, but we're about to mount Insta360 ONE RS to the car. Do you think anything's gonna happen?
Let's hope not.
All right, enjoy.
Filming!
All right, Carlos is gonna drift down. This is gonna be epic. Don't do this at home. Don't do this at home. Yes, she's a little bit dirty, so you gotta clean. I gotta do her manicure, okay? This is a pedicure, and this is a manicure. All right, we're here. We're in La Roca Village, which is like an outdoor mall. It's very cool, so definitely very excited to eat. Like this. I like that. Hungry. We're here. Marino, say hi.
2 hours later.
Okay. We are at the karting. It's raining. I don't know why it's raining, because it's sunny. It's pretty annoying that it's raining and sunny, but still. Hopefully it's not slippery at the race. You know, my favorite thing about this camera is actually the selfie stick. It's called the invisible stick because it's actually super long. Look at the size. Look at the size of this thing, and it's actually invisible. Like when you see it on the shots, the stick actually becomes invisible. So it feels like a drone is flying over you. So it gives you this very cool look. Goodbye. I have to leave the camera, so goodbye. This thing also takes incredible photos. It's actually got a 48 megapixel camera, so extremely good quality photos. Let me take a couple for you like this, you guys can actually see them. Give me a second. If I wanna see something that I wish this camera would have was a larger screen. Everything is so small compared to the GoPro Hero 10 where everything is so large. But I get it, everything is so modular, so it's hard to do that. But if you could figure that out, perfect camera. Thank you for watching. Let's see you on the next one. Peace! Be happy. Life is good. Don't forget that. All right.